Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve how to resolve the status access violation error message you are experiencing on your Google Chrome web browser. Let's fix that guys. All you want to do is go to search menu and type Chrome CHROME. Want to right click on it. No, right side here you want to go to open file location. Chrome shortcut you want to right click and you want to open file location. Want to rename this guys, right click, rename here, that option. I want to remove the e and dot exe, press enter. That's it. CHROM dot exe, close out of here. And now open the Chrome guys. That's it guys for today's video. Now this Chrome is working. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Thanks for watching my video.